Hello everyone, this is Mikey. Long story short, I got a tattoo a few days ago, the picture right behind me, and that was inspired by SparkAR, one of their contents. The thing is, most of the career has been around 3D printing and recently more about AR, augmented reality, and I've been looking for something that could represent me the best, and I did find this XYZ icon. I'm so happy with that. I did post a picture of my tattoo on SparkAR community on Facebook. It got loads of likes and comments and support. Same to LinkedIn. And a friend of mine came to me and said, why don't you do it as an NFT? I said, okay, let's do this. He helped me and put the minimum bid on OpenSea. So please do go on the bio, do support us. We are a young company, young project. We have a lot in mind, and the ultimate goal is augmented reality and NFT. Do support us. Thank you so much. Bow. And I do love my tattoo. Look at this. Thank you so much. Mikey 3D.